Let's start. Today we will see how to implement a Trix indicator in the TradingView Pine script. This is how the TradingView describes the Trix indicator. The Trix indicator is used in technical analysis as a momentum oscillator. It is comprised of the rate of change of a triple exponentially smoothed moving average. Let's see the formula to calculate the Trix. First of all, we calculate an 18-period EMA of the closing price. It is a smoothed moving average. Then we again calculate an 18-period smoothed moving average, but this time we use the first moving average as the source. Then we again calculate an 18-period smoothed moving average, but this time we use the second moving average as the source. And finally, we find out the change in this triple moving average. That means we find out how many points this moving average has gone up or down, compared to its previous value. Enough of the education, now let's see the code. This is an indicator function with the name, Trix. First of all, we take the user input for the length of the Trix indicator. The default value is set to 18. If you see the default Trix indicator that the TradingView has provided, they have written the code like this. It is very confusing to understand. So try to make it simpler, as shown below. Here we find the first moving average, with the close value as the source. Since we want a smoothed moving average, we have used the logarithmic value of the close. Then we find out the second moving average. And here we use the first moving average as the source. Then we find out the third moving average. And here we use the second moving average as the source. And finally, we find the change in this third moving average. And for some reason, they had multiplied this result by 10,000. I did not understand this part, to be frank. Finally, we plot the Trix value. Also, we plot a zero line. Let's add this indicator to the chart. As you can see, the Trix indicator is now ready. You can add the default indicator provided by the TradingView, and cross-check if the values match or not. So that's it. That's how we can implement a Trix indicator in the TradingView Pine script. Thank you.